Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Kev. My name is Kevin. In today's video, we'll have a look at more data types available in Python. In the previous video, we learned about numbers, strings, and booleans. These data types can only handle one value or assignment at a time. For example, if we assign a number to a variable, say a is equals to 10, a can only refer to that one value, 10. In order to store multiple values, we will need other data types. These are lists, tuples, and dictionaries. We will start with lists. In Python, lists store multiple items in a single variable. They are created using square brackets. For example, we could have a variable, fruits, containing a list of 3 fruits. That is, fruits is equals to apple, orange, and banana. In this case, the list holds 3 values. Let's explore the properties of lists. Number 1. List items are indexed, as shown here in our example. Please note that the first item has an index of 0. Number 2. Lists are ordered. That is, once stored, items have a defined order which is unchangeable. New values will be placed at the end of the list. Number 3. Lists are mutable. This means that we can add and remove items from the list after it has been created. Number 4. Lists allow duplicates, meaning that they can have the same value or item stored twice. For example, we could add a new item apple to the list. Now, since each item has a distinct index, they are treated as different values. Tuples. Unlike lists, tuples are created using rounded brackets. We could change our fruits list into a tuple by simply changing the square brackets into a rounded bracket. Properties of tuples. Like lists, tuples are ordered, indexed, and allow duplicates. The only difference is that tuples are unchangeable, meaning that once it's created, we cannot add or remove items after the tuple has been created. Moreover, we cannot change the already existing variables or values or items in the same tuple. Number 3. Dictionaries. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. Let's have a look at this English dictionary. We could think of the words in bold as keys and their definitions as values. Dictionaries are created using curly braces that have keys and values. Let's envision a car, like the Lexus LX 570. A dictionary that holds this car's properties would look like this. The items to the left are keys and those to the right are their respective values. Please note that each key value pair is separated using a comma. Like lists, dictionaries are mutable and ordered. Well, that is it from me today. We'll have an in-depth look at these data types commonly known as data structures in future videos. In the meantime, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and share. Goodbye.